Racing just started while Ideal View came out of the gate a little bit late. Chansan Dior break quickly restart. Talas Saumagay sorry outside. Running by the release gold bracelet. Moving up is Fleetwood in the real portion because of you. Down on the inside now is Batangas first. Good Hope. Then next online is Dibega. Racing second last Hardway. While Ideal View is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Gold Bracelet now takes command. Moving up now on the outside is Talas sa Umaga. A length further back in third comes Fleetwood. Then next online is Chansan Dior. Batangas Force comes next because of you, Dibega. Hardway like twice trying to get closer. Good Hope and a long way back to Ideal View who's still racing in less. Another fourth turn, we have Tala sa Umaga by about 2 lengths. Gold Bracelet moving up now on the outside. Fleetwood Hardway like twice now coming closer. Then next online now is Batangas Force. Chansan Dior, Good Hope, Debega because of UILDL Blue still racing in less. Gold Bracelet by Orleng Anyhop. Fleetwood is on the outside second. And as they swing for home, we have Gold Bracelet by Orleng Anyhop followed by Fleetwood. Batangas First Hardway with about 150 meters more to run. We have Gold Bracelet followed by Fleetwood Hardway, Chansan Dior, and finally it's going to be Gold Bracelet second, close between Chansan Dior, Fleetwood Hardway, and Batangas Force.
All right, so